Hello and welcome to this edition of Daily Actives brought to you by Bootleg Macaron. Dustin, and we are looking exactly why you do not want to buy Tesla right now. And if there's anything that I can say, it is if we look at price, which is the most important variable, at least in the price volume volatility matrix that I use, you can see that the price is now at $232. We are definitely we're not definitely, but we have a chance of kissing 220. It does look like Tesla, since it peaked around 290 on the 18th, which is not even a full month ago, at 293 on July 18th. We have done nothing but fall since this day right here. Then we got our 1 day rolling negative, 5 day rolling negative. Shortly after that, a 15-day rolling negative, and now we're on 1 month rolling negative. Now, where we are right now, we still see a go short in the short term, intermediate term, and longer term. We're still bearish on the short term, intermediate term, and longer term. If you look at the pricing in terms of the rolling sentiment, we are on a falling bear. We don't have anything positive. We're at 28% on the 10-day rolling bearish. That's crazy to me. It never gets that low. I mean, even on the 2 day, we had 3 days of green. Now we're back to red. We have no positive on the 5 day or the 10 day. If we look at the trading signals, we have no bear key 3 or bull key 3. It's essentially just apathy in this market right now. If we look at the overall trade, it looks like the move right now, we're definitely coming back down. We've peaked, at least for the short term. It looks like the price, and I said this yesterday in my video, it isn't that there isn't demand in Tesla, it's that there's just no momentum. There's no supportive demand. It's just supply. There isn't even a lot of supply coming in the market because the volume's not following through. It's just apathy. All we see is apathy in Tesla. No one cares about this company anymore all of a sudden. Like the peak, I don't know if it was in June. I mean, if I look at the peaks that we saw was definitely in the middle of June this year. And then the major peak was back in November of 2021. But we all know that was the peak in the stock market. So what I'm concerned about, at least from being not necessarily even a Tesla bull, but just somebody who has to pay attention on a daily basis because they are the most active stocks. Right now, what we're seeing is no one seems to care about Tesla. The volume isn't there. The price isn't there. The volatility is not even hitting the highs that it did in June or even way back in February. We are at a lower low we're at the lower high in terms of volume. The correlation is starting to go negative while the price volatility is starting to fall. I mean, that's slightly positive to see us move up and sideways potentially, but right now, the top is coming down. The bottom is falling down. The ultra fast sentiment is really not even above 50%. It's not even getting close. The only thing I can say right now is, what do you think? Are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? And before you go, subscribe to the New High newsletter. I'll give you 25 stocks to your inbox every single Sunday. I'll talk to you soon.